Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this headphone cover. Okay, so it's actually a made to order, that's why I used black yarn. But I decided to film how I did this so that you would be able to make another one for you as well. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to show you my materials. Okay, so I have here fine cotton yarns and then 2.5mm hook. Of course, a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. Okay, so this is the example. I have shown this earlier and we're going to make another one of this. To begin with, grab your black yarn or any color that you prefer to use. Okay, so the first step is to make a magic ring. Okay, so now we have the magic ring. And then make 10 double crochets in the magic ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so at this point, you grab this, you pull that, and then make a slip stitch on the very first double crochet. And then make a chain of 1, and you can cut your yarn. So if you want to use one color or single color for this headphone cover, you don't actually need to cut it, but because I'm going to use another color, so I cut it, and we will be inserting this one in any chain here. And then make 1 double crochet on the same stitch. Okay, and then on the next stitches will be 2 double crochets. Okay, so we have here 2 on the same stitch, and then on the third one will be another 2 double crochets. Okay, so you will just repeat this pattern until you reach the end. Okay, so don't forget to count it and continue putting 2 double crochets on each chain. Okay, so now we're reaching the part where we have a slip stitch. Okay, so I tried skipping this one. However, I don't want to see a small hole, so I just decided to place 1 double crochet here on the slip stitch. And then another 2 double crochets on the same stitch, the last one, chain. Okay, now we're completing it, but remember we placed 1 double crochet here only, so we will be placing another one so that we will have 2 double crochets on each of the chains. And then slip stitch and chain 1. So after that, you can cut your yarn. So again, if you are using a single color, so you don't need to cut your yarn. Now, you can grab your black yarn again and insert it in any chain. Okay, so you'll have to make 1 double crochet, an alternate of 1 double crochet on 1 stitch or 1 chain, and then 2 double crochets on the same stitch. So again, 1 double crochet on 1 chain, and then another 2 on the next. So the pattern for this row, third row, will be 1 double crochet on the first and then 2 double crochets on the next. Okay, so you will just repeat this until you reach the end. Okay, so just like what I did on the previous row, here on the slip stitch, I will be placing 1 double crochet again, and then on the very last stitch or chain will be 2 double crochets. Okay, so this time we are going to slip stitch and chain 1, and then on the very same stitch you will be making 1 double crochet. Okay, this will be considered as our first stitch. Then on the second will be 1 double crochet again, and then on the third will be an increase. Okay, so 1 and increase. Okay, so again, so let's repeat it. 1 double crochet on the first, 1 double crochet on the second, and on the third will be an increase. Okay, so here, so you will just repeat the pattern of 1 double crochet on the next 2 stitches, and then on the third will be 2 double crochets. Okay, so now we are reaching the end. Okay, so here will be 2 double crochets, and now we can make a slip stitch and then chain 1. So don't forget to measure it because the size of our headphones may vary. Okay, so it's almost 3 inches or 2.7 inches. Okay, so on the same stitch after chaining 1, you will make 1 double crochet on each of the chain. Okay, so this time we are making a curve on our headphone cover. Okay, so just place 1 double crochet in each of this. So now it has already formed a curve. Okay, so this time you place 1 double crochet on the same stitch, and then on the next will be 1 double crochet again, and this time we will be making 2 double crochets together. Okay, so you see this. Okay, again, so 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet again, and then on the next will be, okay, so unfinished double crochet, and then pull through 3. Okay, so you will just repeat this double crochet together on the 3rd and 4th stitches. Okay, so repeat that until you reach the end of this row. So now we are at the end of, or the last row. So you will be placing 1/2 double crochet on each of the stitches until you reach the end. Okay, so just place 1/2 double crochet on each of these. Okay, so I'm done. So you just slip stitch, and then you can cut your yarn and weave the ends. That's it, guys, they are done. Okay, so here they are. I just hope that you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified for my next videos. So thank you for watching.